Welcome to Kids Playroom! Hi guys!
Welcome back to our vlog! So today I'm going to teach baby kids the sounds of the alphabet. Are you ready to learn?
Yes!
Okay. Okay class, before we start, can you please tell me your names? What's your name?
Kiss!
Okay, what about you? What's your name?
Teddy!
Okay, you're Teddy. Alright. Let's start. So this is the alphabet. Do you know this?
Yes!
Okay, let's start with the letter A. This is the letter A, and the sound of the letter A is A. A. What's the sound of the letter A?
Apple!
Very good. What's this?
Apple!
Very good. Okay, now this one is the letter B, and the sound of the letter B is B. B. What's the sound of the letter B?
Book!
Very good. This is a book.
It's pink.
Yep, it's pink. Okay. This is the letter C, and the sound of the letter C is K. K. What's the sound of the letter C?
Cloud!
Clouds. Very good. This is a cloud. And where do you see the clouds? The sky. Very good. This is a dress, and it starts with the letter D, and the sound of the letter D is D. D. Dress. Okay? What's the sound of the letter D?
Dress!
Dress. Very good. Okay. This is the letter E, and the sound of the letter E is E. E. Envelope. Do you know what's this?
Envelope!
Very good. What's the color of the envelope?
Green!
Very good.
There's a heart.
Heart. Heart. There's a heart. Okay, next is the letter F. This is the letter F, and the sound of the letter F is F. F. What's the sound of the letter F?
Flower!
Flower. Very good. Next is the letter G. This is the letter G, and the sound of the letter G is G. G. Gift. Okay. What's the sound of the letter G?
Gift!
Very good. Next is the letter H. This is the letter H, and the sound of the letter H is H. H. Hat. What's the sound of the letter H?
Hat!
Very good. Okay, next is the letter I. This is the letter I, and the sound of the letter I is I. Ice cream. What's the sound of the letter I?
Ice cream!
Ice cream. Very good. Next is the letter J. This is the letter J, and the sound of the letter J is J. J. Jar. What's the sound of the letter J?
Jar!
Jar. Very good. Next is the letter K. This is the letter K, and the sound of the letter K is K. K. Like Kids Playroom. Okay, what's the sound of the letter K? Kite. Very good. This is a kite. Next is the letter L.
I see it through the sky.
Okay, you see it in the sky. Very good.
Big plate.
Okay. This is the letter L, and the sound of the letter L is L. L. What's the sound of the letter L?
Lemon.
Lemon. Very good. Next is the letter M. This is the letter M, and the sound of the letter M is M. M. What's the sound of the letter M?
M. M. Moon.
Moon. Very good. Where do you see the moon?
Onto the sky.
Very good. You see it in the sky? This is the letter N, and the sound of the letter N is N. N. Necktie. What's the sound of the letter N?
N. N. Necktie.
Necktie. Very good. This is the letter O, and the sound of the letter O is O. O. Orange. What's the sound of the letter O?
Oh. Oh. Orange.
Orange. Very good. Okay, next is the letter P. This is the letter P, and the sound of the letter P is P. P. What's the sound of the letter P?
P. P. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Very good. Next is the letter Q, and the sound of the letter Q is Q. Q. Quill. This is a quill. What's the sound of the letter Q?
Q. Q. Quill.
Quill. Very good. Next is the letter R. This is the letter R, and the sound of the letter R is R. R. Rainbow. What's the sound of the letter R?
R. R. Rainbow.
Rainbow. Louder. Okay. Next is the letter S. And the sound of the letter S is star. What's the sound of the letter S? Star. Very good. Little louder, please. Next is the letter T. And the sound of the letter T is T. T. Teapot. What's the sound of the letter T?
Teapot.
The sound?
T. T. Teapot.
Louder.
T. 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 Teapot.
Teapot. Very good. What's the sound of the letter T again, please?
T. T. Teapot.
Teapot. Next is the letter U. And the sound of the letter U is similar to the sound of the letter A. Ah. But this one is different. And this is unicycle. What's the sound of the letter U?
Unicycle.
Unicycle. Very good. Okay, next is the letter V. It's actually raining outside. Okay, so next is the letter V. And the sound of the letter V is V. V. Vase. A violet vase. Alright, what's the sound of the letter V?
V. V. Vase.
Vase. Okay. Next is the letter W. The sound of the W is W. W. What's the sound of the letter W?
W. W. Watermelon.
Sorry, what about you, Teddy? Okay. Next is the letter X. This is the letter X, and the sound of the letter X is X. X-ray.
He don't know that.
Yeah. What's the sound of the letter X?
X-ray.
The sound.
X-ray.
X-ray. Very good. Next is the letter Y.
You don't know that too.
Yeah. This is the letter Y, and the sound of the letter Y is Y. Y. Yo-yo. What's the sound of the letter Y?
Yeah. Yeah. Yo-yo.
Yo-yo. Very good.
Bounce here.
Yeah, it bounces. Last but not the least is the letter Z. And the sound of the letter Z is Z. Z. Zoo. What's the sound of the letter Z? Sorry.
Z. Z. Zoo.
Okay, very good. Okay, in our next vlog, I'll teach you how to count, alright? Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. Hope you learned something from us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button. Bye! Say bye!
Bye.